Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, you're here. Amazing. Marcus Body Coding Live. Remember, new footwork every day. You see, we do. No excuses. Are you ready? Today, kick 2. Watch for yourself first. Let's go. Yeah, that's kick 2. Are you ready? Let's do it together. No excuses. Let's go. Let's go. I'll switch the cameras. And let's go. We can start with the left or with the right. Doesn't matter. Let's start with the left. We kick. We step. We kick. We step. And now step. Tap. Step. Tap. Again. Kick with the left and step. Kick with the right and step. Step. Touch. Step. Touch. Once again. Kick. Step. Kick. Step. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Once again with the count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Once again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing. Amazing. This was kick 2. Yes. And I remind you, these are universal moves because this Marcus Body coding. We code universal moves so you can use them in any kind of dance that you want. Salsa, hip hop, Bachata, Kizomba, Zumba, Rumba, whatever style that you want. But wait, you still here? Amazing. Let's do another practice now. Face to face. I want to see you. Are you ready? Imagine yourself right now staring in a mirror. Yeah, staring in a mirror. Are you ready? Let's go. We start with the left, with a kick. Let's go. Kick 2. We kick. We step. We kick. We step. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Once again. Kick. Step. Kick. Step. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Now a tip with the hands. When we kick with the left, we can point with the right. Opposite. Yeah. Let's do it. Kick. Step. Kick. Step. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Kick. Step. Kick. Step. Step. Tap. Step. Tap. Now with the count. Let's go. We do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Amazing! Are you excited or are you excited? Not sure about you, but I'm excited. And if you want to see this move and practice a little bit more, this is kick 2. Remember, no excuses. You can meet me right now in the studio for the full course. Yeah, full course. The main course. Yeah, this was just a taste. Taste of this one. You can visit me in the studio for an extra practice if you want to get it inside your bones. Yeah. You can meet me on YouTube with a full tutorial for free anytime you want, but do it right now. No excuses. So you can check the link above, below, to the sides. And if you're on Instagram, you can check the link in my bio to the YouTube channel and search for this move, kick 2. Are you ready? Join me in the studio. But either way, I remind you, these are universal moves. So I push you, I urge you to do this move in today's party, whatever party it may be. Hip hop, salsa, bachata, kizomba, zumba, rumba, samba, samba, any kind of dance that you want, because these are universal moves. And remember, you have this video here on Instagram or whatever you see this video in. You can practice with this video as well. So in today's party, go to the middle of the party, center of the party, and do the move. And if you forget the move, get the phone from your pocket and practice me on the grass, on the pavement, wherever you are. Go back to the party and show them how to do it. Yeah! Do this today, of course. Why today? Because tomorrow there's no footwork. Remember, no footwork every day. Marcus Bodycoding Live. So, let's see you tomorrow for no footwork.